Struggling to create content without draining your time and budget? What if you could cut content creation time in half while saving money? Discover how ChatGPT revolutionizes content creation into a cost-effective, time-saving masterpiece. We're gonna walk you through ways that ChatGPT can streamline your content creation, generating ideas for you, outlines, structures, drafts, and even helping you edit your content. We're also going to look into social media. ChatGPT can create social media posts for you and help you engage your customers, all while increasing your sales and boosting your side hustle revenues and helping you keep a healthy work-life balance. According to studies, businesses tend to spend 1 to 2 hours per content piece. With AI assistance, this can be cut down to just minutes, leaving you with peace of mind. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor here to help you create the business and life you deserve. So make sure to hit subscribe on the bell to get notified about everything online business. Let's start. As your coach, I'm telling you, there's only 2 things you need in order to get your side hustle online thriving in the next coming months. You need our training, Launch You, which you can find at our website, malinlindbom.com, that takes you through step by step exactly what to do, the do's and the don'ts of setting up an online business. And you also get access to our community of like-minded people, just like you and me, who share their experiences and tips, advice, and just support each other. And then the next thing you need is, of course, an assistant that can write your scripts, film your videos, edit your videos, be your friend. No, kidding. All you need is actually ChatGPT to be that assistant. And it's free. Let's check it out now, how ChatGPT can help you create content. ChatGPT creates content at a rapid speed of minutes. It can create content with 1,000 words in just seconds for you. So the time-saving aspect is huge. From a cost efficiency point of view, instead of hiring an assistant, this tool is free. You're cutting your costs enormously. Many companies save 60 to 70% on their content creation just by using AI instead. How would you like ChatGPT to help you out with your content? Comment. Okay, so we're going to look at how ChatGPT can help you generate ideas for blog posts and videos, for example. All you do is give it topics, keywords, and themes. Let's look at this example on my screen. I'm asking ChatGPT to give me 10 trending topics in work-life balance for online side hustlers. And loving the results. Among other things, mindfulness and stress management, going through techniques and practices to integrate mindfulness into a side hustle routine to manage stress and maintain mental wellness. Loving that. I also asked ChatGPT to give me 10 ways online side hustlers can find work-life balance. And it shows me, for example, how to prioritize tasks, time blocking, again, practicing mindfulness and limiting distractions. ChatGPT can also help you with structure by creating outlines for articles, blogs, and videos. I, for example, asked ChatGPT to create an outline for a blog post. I said, can you give me an outline for a blog post for effective time management techniques for online side hustlers? And look, it gives me the introduction saying, define the challenges of time management and highlight the significance of effective time management, and then how I could walk through time blocking, prioritization methods, and other different types of technology or tools for time management. So this is so exciting, I want to make videos about it right now. Hey, smash like if this is valuable. ChatGPT can also draft various content pieces for you. You could, example, ask it to draft a blog post about healthy eating habits for online entrepreneurs. But remember, though AI and ChatGPT are incredibly efficient, you should also mix your content with human creativity and use the words and tone of voice and feel that suits your audience and your content best. What do you think? ChatGPT can also help you edit text. It's extremely efficient in editing. Now let's move on to social media. I asked ChatGPT to suggest 10 social media posts about fitness and wellness for online side hustlers. And I'm loving the results. It's suggesting motivational quotes like embrace the power of wellness in your side hustle journey. Health is wealth. Wellness Wednesday hashtag. It even gives you emojis and hashtags. Quick fitness tips. I like that too. Did you know? Short workouts during work breaks can boost productivity. Try a 10-minute yoga stretch today. Hashtag side hustle hacks. I really like these suggestions. They aim at engaging and creating a supportive community. Speaking of engagement, ChatGPT can also suggest how you can increase customer engagement and sales. So I asked ChatGPT, can you suggest how to increase customer engagement related to the topic of fitness and wellness for online side hustlers? Loving the response again. So it suggests challenges, live workouts, Q&A sessions, community stories and testimonials, polls and surveys, badges and certificates, expert takeovers, etc., etc. And this is so useful. So head over to our website malinlimov.com to join our training program. You get the first 4 workshops for free, so don't hesitate to do that. But wait, you're not done yet. This is another video how ChatGPT can help you boost your online side hustle efficiency and time budget management. See you in that one.